Welcome to the formation of the solar system. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at how our solar system was formed and what led to its current structure. The universe was formed approximately 13.8 billion years ago through the process of the Big Bang. Over time, clouds of gas and dust began to form, eventually giving rise to stars and planetary systems. Our own solar system formed from a massive, rotating cloud of gas and dust known as a protoplanetary disk. At the center of this disk was a young, growing star, which would eventually become our Sun. Planetesimals, small rocky bodies, began to form from the disk. These planetesimals collided and merged to create larger and larger bodies, eventually forming the 8 planets in our solar system. During the early stages of the solar system's formation, the young planets were still being shaped by intense gravitational forces and frequent collisions. This led to the creation of the asteroid belt, a region of small rocky bodies located between Mars and Jupiter. Over time, the solar system settled into its current structure, with the Sun at its center and the 8 planets orbiting around it. And that's a brief overview of the formation of the solar system. Thank you for watching.